Here we are given a problem that states a motorboat is traveling 5 meters per second east, encounters a current traveling 2.5 meters per second south. What is the resultant velocity? If the width of the river is 80 meters wide, how much time does it take the boat to travel shore to shore? So we have two questions we need to answer that's given to us. So first, we're going to start with the resultant velocity. So we're going to draw what's happening. We're going 5 meters per second east, and then a current that's 2.5 meters per second south is acting on us. So we need to find the resultant. And when you're given two sides, you can find the hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem, which you do 5 meters per second squared plus 2.5 meters per second squared, all the square root, and then you're given the resultant is 5.59 meters per second. So that's how far the boat will go when the current is acting on it. For the second question, if the width of the river is 80 meters wide, how much time does it take the boat to travel shore to shore? First, we know how to find average velocity, and that's the change in position over change in time. But in order to find the time, we have to rearrange this equation, which we started out with t times the change in velocity equals a change in position. And then to get the time, we divide by the velocity. So we're given the change in r divided by the change in velocity. So now our position is 80 meters wide, because that's how much we want to know how much time it goes by if the width of the river is 80 meters wide. So we use that as our change in position, and then we have the change in velocity, which is 5 meters per second. So when we divide, we get 16 seconds. It would take the boat to go across shore to shore if the width is 80 meters wide with the current acting on it.